Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Airstream International 30RB, and this is a twin. And if you're a fan of this channel, you know I like the twins. Well, I'm not going to say any more. So we have 4 outside storage. We have 1 here, 1 in the back, and then 2 on the off-camp side. Here we have the international badging. Let's get inside. The reason I like the twin so much is it's so easy to move around. And with a queen-size bed, you're somewhat restricted. Stereo system right here. You also have plug-ins up top. I love the backlighting here. And I don't show this often, but we have additional storage up here, and you can see maybe it's a good 12-inch depth. Great place to put some blankets or throws or something. We do have the dining table down in the sleeping position, so you can see how the cushions all lay out rather nicely. And as far as the interior, we have gray countertops, gray wood, nice deep stainless steel sink, microwave convection oven, 3-burner cooktop. We have drawers below. Let me show you the 3-burner cooktop. It hasn't been really messed with, so I don't like doing too much when I get into these. I am a guest of the dealership. Speaking of the dealership, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. Now this is how they first come in. So you can see the refrigerator and freezer. The freezer did have a cover on it. They've got this double-sided tape, so it had cardboard just like this. Here's the deal sheet on the RV. And then we have a privacy curtain here. We also have a privacy curtain there. I'll explain that in a moment. I just want to show you the storage here. And these are the boxes of goodies as far as bedding and cords. So the reason you have the privacy curtains on both sides is you close them both. It's kind of like an airplane. You have privacy back there. If you have to use the restroom, you come through the curtain, use the restroom. Actually, it would be there. And if you're sleeping out here, you still have privacy. You come through this curtain. That curtain is closed, and you're able to use the bathroom. Rather nice size, wide bathroom. And then your shower is right here. And rather nice. We have the exhaust here, LED lighting. Your clothesline is right there. Great place to hang up towels or bathing suits or that type of thing. So with the twin bed configuration, we have cabinets on both left and right. I'll show you the other one here in a moment. And flat screen TV. So with the twin bed configuration, you get an additional, I believe it's 6 inches, and makes it a lot more comfortable for taller folks. And as I said, easy to move around. Here's the other cabinet I mentioned, and then we have additional lighting, as you can see here. But you can see just how easy it is to move around. I'm not trying to move around too quick. I don't want to get you seasick, as it were, but just so nice. With the queen bed, it's usually the excuse me, the head of the bed is over here, so you kind of have to work your way around the room in order to get to the other side. So much nicer this way. So again, 2026 2026 Airstream International 30RB, and it's an RB twin. So any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you again for so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos.